how to link your account with Facebook on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to link your account with Facebook on Deezer mobile. First thing, open Deezer, and here you will find the settings in the top corner. Click on it and then click account management and click linked accounts, and here you will find link your Facebook account, then click on it. Now just type here your Facebook account and click login, and that's it. And then just go back, it will be saved. And that's how to link your account with Facebook. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.